Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how I put this ponytail on. This long ponytail extension. This is a 24-inch ponytail. Now this has like a little drawstring that comes with it, like a little hat in it, and it has 2 clips. So whenever you kind of like clip it in your hair, you pull this and it creates the little ponytail. So I got this at a beauty salon or a beauty hair store for about 15 bucks and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys the products that you need or that I use. Got the gel, brush, a small toothbrush looking brush, some Got2B Glued to make sure your little hairs stay back, and a couple of bobby pins, not a lot. So I totally forgot one more product that I use, a hair tie. What's gonna hold your hair? So the first thing I do is I brush out my hair, make sure it's not so tangly. That way it makes it a whole lot easier whenever you pull up your ponytail. Just brush all that nastiness out.
Oh yes, honey. Due to the fact that her thighs spread just like.
So after I brushed it all out, I go ahead and start creating a ponytail. And I grab my gel. And just slap it on me, on my head. Slap it everywhere. So after I slapped on the gel, I went ahead and brushed it out just to smooth out the edges, and then I used this comb right here to smooth out the edges.
High heels on the hardwood floor. They all coming back for more. Back for more. Get it up and do it right this time. Ass so fine. Never gonna stop till the beat is mine. Come round if you
So the hair tie that I use is one of those long hair bands, and I just twist it into like 2 hair bands. I really like it because I think it's really sturdy and it really holds my hair really tight. So the way I tighten my ponytail, I don't do this thing right here because it just creates little lumps everywhere. I just kind of like grab the ponytail and then just pull it down the hair tie to make it tighter.
The beat is mine. Come round if you're so inclined.
So the next thing you're going to do is just create a little bun with your ponytail. Just grab it and just wrap it around. And then you're gonna pin it with bobby pin. I use maybe like 2 just to make sure it stays. So now it's time for our ponytail. So remember, it's got 2 clips, the little drawstring. So either you can put it, I like mine to the side, so I just kind of like clip it on like this to the side, or you can always clip it back. But what you do is, this is getting tingly. You just clip in the clips in your hair, and then you pull on the string to tighten it.
Spread that jelly, spread it good. Peanut butter head, kiss my grit. Your mama's in the kitchen, but the oven on the fridge. Your daddy's in jail, raising hell. And your sister on the corner selling.
There's a little string, so you pull it, and then you just kind of pull this little clip thingy that comes with and just tighten it. So with the little string, what I do, I just kind of wrap it around the hair.
Let me see y'all work. It's Big Freedia.
Wrap it around. Make sure the clips are in. And I just kind of wrap it, not so tight. And then I use a bobby pin to pin it in my hair.
Queen Diva, let me see y'all work, y'all Peter. Hot off the heater, making your cheese up. Yo cheese up. When you hit the beat up, working your feet up. Jumping all around like you're catching a seizure. Black Biggie, RuPaul, and Freedia. Yes, you better believe us. Jam no shade. Jam no shade. Jam no shade.
Strawberry jelly, taste
So then I grab a piece of the hair, like you don't want to grab too much, just to make you look a little bit more natural. Let me see. Let's see, because I don't want to grab all the hair out. Like maybe this much, however that much is. Separate this back, okay. And then you're just going to wrap it around your little bun.
Jelly tastes so good. Must be jelly cause jam don't shake. Must be jelly cause jam don't shake. Must be jelly cause jam don't shake. Spread that jelly, spread it good. Peanut butter head.
Kiss my don't work.
Your mama's in the kitchen.
To make your work go strong. Work.
Your daddy's in jail.
Come on.
Raising hell.
Come
And
on.
your sister on the counter. Sister on the counter selling. Oh yes, honey.
After I grab my little toothbrush comb, just kind of comb all the little hairs back.
Watch me shake. Yeah, all the brothers wanna eat this cake. Let me show you how to instigate. Let me hear your gently choose. Pay my dues. Look at what you gonna do.
So then I go in with this little baby right here. Isn't it cute? You can see it because of the light. I accidentally cut my hair right here with, if you can see, I have like a whole man fade. I cut it with a razor by accident. Like I cut a whole chunk of my fucking hair.
Mama, no low blindness too.
This is the girl I was telling you about, boss.
Oh, really? What's your name?
My name Cupcake. And my girls go, gon' be a good show.